for me mo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. I want us to talk about the cedi and dollar. Na currently and me no ka say dollar no just say keka ko 16 no. Em say 16 no credo wie. Na aban epese wo ye bibi na sa anyama we ni na no. Nini na mama mo ate ase aban bia wo beba so wo Ghana bia. You see, they all know the problem. They all know what is going on. But cosmetic, Ghana ban. Yenya ade for the optics. Eni so ade no ndim say ade we ya mi yi school bebrebe amakọ nyansa mesua ni na ade a mi yi en yield the profit bia en fa de papa bia mba. Nanso wo ye na nkrofo ehu ni se we bia wo ye adwuma eno pew. Nende aban is under pressure because dollar no ekosro. Ukra $100 in there, about 1,600 cedis. E binsi wo Ghana hada. And the President Akufo-Addo aban na sade nisi. Tie wo hwana finance minister eba be ye press conference because senior ade na ekona wo mo ayekum wo ho no. E wo se wo mo kasa. Obaya press conference asemo a wo be ka kire Ghana for and say the recent depreciation of the cedi is as a result of the strengthening of the dollar. You see, we have an media, me see de bia maka, me say who read every single book on self-development. Say na nipa bia obetumi edi nkunim ewo wiasem dia wo ye bia obetumi edi nkunim wo wiasem. Obetumi abobra ayeyie ewo wiasem bia no. It first starts with accepting responsibility. Read any self-development book. That is what they tell you. The number one thing about self-development is accept responsibility. Accept to say, situation a wo mu sesia no, enye obi na eye wo. Eye wo, se ye obi na eye wo kra na, wo na wama nipa ko ne ho kwan se wonye wo. Kyese wagyeagya wo ho, ema wo ho ayemre, ema nipa ko na ayeden, oye wo. Inti me blame nipa ko no blame wo ho. Book bia self-development book bia asemo a wo mo kan no. Inti say obia, and that is how you get to know say asumesi waye willing so peso diye obenten ompeso bediye. Se nkrofo mienu ba ho na ba ku yobi a wono de bia de da ne so bia wo blame other people than ono. Say nipa kro no onye na dwen so peso diye wo wiasim. But the next person eba no de oba be kire say me de me pese me blame obia eye me na maye. Ukwa relationship mu no oba ochiti wo so kra na ye mu bebre na ya na ye pese ye blame oba na oba ne na ye, but the truth of the matter ne say eye yen ene aye because ye ne ye ma ye ho kwan ene ne oba no ko she relationship ne mu. Se woni ni ba ko na nko relationship mu a enya ade a wo benya kwan se wo be break your heart into accept your responsibility. But one thing about this aban and they say pastor will be accepting the responsibility no da bi obe blame obi than ono ane ho. Meanwhile I know emra no mo opposition ne de no mo blame Mahama no mo refi say that time no other things e wo ho. Every single thing Ghanaians are going through today, this NPP government, there's not a single time a wo mo aka se we de ye ne ayeda bibia wo mo blame obi. And cedi no etiato ne nso omu blame dollar ne se dollar ne mum na ne bo ho ayeden intiana said okay no problem said dollar na ho ayeden. Why is it that all the other currencies in this world they are not depreciating at the rate of the cedi? Eya na emo se Ghana for ye nkwasiafo wo. All the other currencies they are not depreciating at the rate of the cedi. Now so opese ye blame dollar ne mum. Sa dollar ne ho ayeden a enye cedi ne so pe na dollar ne ho ayeden o. Dollar ne ho ayeden ne ho ayeden e wo ewiase sika nina so. Die ntia e na cedi no pe e ne ye hwi ne chi sa. It's because you people are mismanagement of the economy. And no NAC. You people are not even servicing your external debt. Enumponi. Na ki ya dwen say ye tia e ka ye de dollars e ka ye de a. Kaba this time dollar no kra no apa 20 ho. Enti obey press conference and someone will catch the Ghana for no. Said the recent depreciation no because of the strengthening of the dollar. Owe no sanso be katre Ghana for say they would stabilize the cedi. Finance Minister assurance award dem Ghana for. Now would him say mo be stabilize the cedi na. Mo atwen am akwa do 16 ansa na mo ba be stabilize it. But we know what is going to happen. Ye be kwa bobosia ye nim omo twen ebia 3 months to election ni akwa bobosia ni bobosia ni aba be pompe bosia no ahye economy nim. So within that week ye be pompe bosia na ahye economy nim no. The city will gain strength. Omo de be de and the yaya. But we all know what is going to happen. Last year this same thing happened. And it is cosmetic. Yen nim say a cosmetic measure. Obia will follow san same way ni na wo man we mu bi nim say san nyama we na no a cosmetic measure. Yen ko bobosia ni yen famra. Ye bobosia ni a yen fambe pumping share economy nim. Omo be ye after month. Ube say omo jai because untumi nko bobosia de bia say odi sikani na be pumping economy nim. Untumi nya sa de no. Inti ombe yes ade no for ebia a week. The dollar will be strong for about a month. Still, a better. Why? Because the fundamentals are weak. Fundamentals need a weak. It is almost stabilize the cedi now. Yes. Amo train bosiano, say bosiano bebasikana ba. Of course, to me action akwechi no more stabilize no. But ye nim the ABC. Inti asemwa omo catch on the other hand no. And the screenshot in the middle, no. As the Bank of Ghana has directed all foreign exchange bureaus to stop advertising rates outside their premises and on social media. And they want to tell us, this is what is causing the fall of the cedi. It is one of the reasons in here, cedi no, etito. Say, we'll be our $10. Watro. Ewo social media say, me company no me $10, dollar na me ton no me ton si. O se nipa kono ma o ma metro. Eya na mo tena se na mo dwen a sebi mpreduasa eya na ay charajo. Hey, these are people omo aye adwuma e financial institutions. So you see, to be a financial minister and a finance minister of say the finance ministry position in Ghana is the only ministry obia onye juma e was our sector no yen financial. In other ministries like Ministry of Health, Ministry of Communication, Ministry of Sports and all those things, no, people who are not even known to be investors or people who are not even known to be trained in that line eya na e de omo to me e de omo kokoshe ho. Ocean Ministry of Defense ebi mu wo ho na nka ye campaign na ko bia wo ye retired soldier wo nim soldier munsem na wo say de Ocean Ministry of Defense ba wo he omo e de omo she ho da basically no e bia na just some course on security ni nyama bi no mo akoye be ya ba the Ministry of Finance eya na enkrofo wo mo akohu school wo mu nim de ene e de omo she ho. Ocean Ministry of Health and a Ministry of Energy napo yakofo obi a wono ye doctor se wo mra mbe she ho no emfete. Ministry of Health so yes yakofo obi a wo ye accountant to say den only health field no ene e de ne so e ba be she ho ati ase current one no health field but ni name no only the finance ministry ena wo bi a wa ye adwuma in the financial sector ene e de ne she ho how dey sikasem tie ho na ya na sa sebe enyama ne yemfa nko ho. Inti ya na bebisa me ho senti school bebre ba mo call ye. Nyansa motumi kokosia wo school no eni. You know perfectly well. Say, obi a wono only forex bureau. We create social media platform. We dey rate ato ho. Say, dollar no eye 15 cedis me dey to social media. You know for well. You know well say that is not what is causing the depreciation of the cedi. Now, so what must I order no? For it to look like and no cause the city to depreciate. Ayana me dream one mentia say, what is wrong with you people? Is that why I'm saying Muama Bank of Ghana or Mumposi the dollar rate ni biomana? Emra na cedi no, moba pompe dollars no egu system ni mu a seed no ba be strong no. That time na Bank of Ghana every single time no mu posti meboa mo ngandem se meboa. That time every single time Bank of Ghana for posti every single day sisi a wo mo jai posti. Na me only forex bureau. Na me create me online platform. Na me posti dollar rate. O be ka tre me say o ba ne me ma me posti dollar rate biom na no na ema dollar no enya honden. Hey jawajo. E on crofobia. We have leaders who. Do you know umunim the ema dollar no ekosro? The fact say MPP politicians mode dollar esie wo mo mpaase. That is what is causing it. How many MPP politicians na yachi omo say dollars egu omo mpaase? And no na air cause the dollar to rise. Hoarding the dollars because you don't want to release it into the system. Very simple. The EMA dollar no air rise and they say it is scarce in our system. Na obia wesua demand and supply biano. Adie bia ehon ye din e wo system ni mu no ne bo ye din. And then the reason why are in toes baako e 5 cedis and they say ehon aye din e wo Ghana in toes ni ho. Nti toes ho ye din e wo Ghana ne bo ye din e simple bibia ehon ye din e wo enye Ghana pe but in the society no sa ade no ne bo ekosoro. Se ade ni bo a ade ne bo e ba fom. Inti dollar no enho aye din wo Ghana kurum o hwehwe dollar obe brands awenya inti ana ne bo aye din no di inti ana dollar ne ho aye din di inti ana yenya. You see, sometimes we need to explain things so people understand. Di inti ana dollar no enho aye din ayenya very simple. MPP politicians no dodo na no dollars no moenya mo atoto ne bebre e na mo de esie wo mo mpaase. Se dollar no we die pie na wo circulate e wo system ni mu a dollar no be wo system ni mu inti se wo system ni mu so a dollar no be ba form because ehun nya den but wo mo ato dollars no na mo de esie wo mo mpaase and ye hwehwe dollar to ayenya ehun aye den inti price no de bia e kosoro eno a major factor. I have told you, I have done broadcast on this on several times. The fact that we are local people with foreign taste. Ghana for your Ghana phobia. Bibia ya na yepesi ye de free abrochiri eba. Nini na aka ho bi. But se ye ka enyama eno nso ha ade na eno na maka no. Inti se wo be ka forex bureau say momo mba social media mba meyewe ya. You are joking. You are a joke. You are clueless. Unless mustus no number to me ada domo ye mo de untumi mambe dada yin. Mo try mo your comment box. Be that's it.